Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 8, leçon R, and this is the last lesson of this Unité 8, and we will finish with the pronouns again. So we've been covering quite many pronouns in this unit, but still it's quite important. And the last video that we will discover, or the last lesson we will discover together, is les structures avec plusieurs pronoms. Okay, because as you saw previously in the previous lessons, we've got to respect some kind of order, so you cannot, unfortunately, you cannot put the pronouns the way you would like to, because we've got some rules. And so we've been covering so far the structures with two pronouns, and with this video you will discover the order if you want to add more than two pronouns in one sentence. Okay, so les structures avec plusieurs pronoms. First position, and that will be obviously your subject. Okay, so your subject should be all the time number one. Then second place should come me, te, nous, vous, and ce. Okay, so me, te, nous, vous, ce, second position. Deuxième position. Third position, troisième position, you should put le, la, or les. Okay, so this one will come after me, te, nous, vous, ce. Alright. Quatrième position, you will have lui and leur. Alright. Cinquième position, you will have I. Sixième position, you will have en. And septième position, so the last one, you will put your verb. Okay, because remember, that's the important thing. I mean, your verb is the thing that you should first spot, and then you will put your pronouns according to the verb, because they should be before the verb. Okay, so remember, numéro 1, sujet. Numéro 2, me, te, nous, vous, ce. Okay, numéro 3, le, la, les. Numéro 4, lui, leur. Numéro 5, I. Numéro 6, en. And finally, numéro 7, verbe, your verb. Okay, so that's the rule, and that's the order that you should respect if you want to put, well, one, obviously, two, or more than two pronouns in your sentences, in your structures. Okay? Okay, it's clear? Good. And that's the end of Unité 8. And now we'll rest a little bit. Okay, if you want more videos, youtube.com/imagier, and then the website imagier.net. Okay, bye-bye.